Around 3 weeks have passed since the first part of the video on how to sell tokens on the pre-market. And Major has now released its tokenomics with a total supply of 100 million tokens. Let's take a look at how it has changed. Initially, Bitget made all calculations based on the total supply of 10 billion tokens. Now Bitget has implemented trade mapping with a ratio of 101. I'll explain what this means. Let's open the My Orders page on Bitget and go to the Open Positions tab. By the way, you can use this tutorial for any other exchange, as the process works similarly almost everywhere. Let's compare how the numbers have changed. In the previous video, the total quantity I was selling was 850.4 tokens. According to the mapping ratio, we need to divide 850.4 by 100, which is equal to 8.504 major tokens. The unit price was $0.0075. In this case, we need to multiply it by 100. So it's now $0.75 per major token. The key point is that the total order price, which is 6.378 USDT, remains the same. Let's verify this. 0.75 multiplied by 8.504 equals 6.378 USDT. Now look at this field. We now have the estimated delivery time available, set to November 29th at midnight UTC time. You are seeing my local time here. Let me show you on this page. Here is the estimated delivery time, and here is the planned major listing time. One of the most frequently asked questions is, what is the time period between the pre-market delivery and the listing on spot? In this case, it might take around 12 hours, but usually it takes 4+ hours. So once again, major lists on November 28th at 12 UTC. And around 12 hours later, Bitget will take the major tokens from your balance and transfer them to the buyer according to your sell order. This process is fully automated. Your main task is to make sure you have enough tokens in your Bitget balance. So I'll wait for the listing and then the delivery time. I'm back, and now it's the tokens listing time, around 12 UTC. As you can see, major token trading has just started. Let's open the My Orders page. Nothing has changed. I still see that the estimated delivery time is set to November 29th at midnight UTC. This means I need to wait about 12 more hours. Since I'm going to sell 8.5 major tokens, I need to make sure I have them in my balance. Go over here and click Assets, then go to Spot and search for major tokens. You can see I have 18 tokens, but I only need 8.5 tokens, so that's enough. I got these tokens from the Major app, where I was farming major points. For now, my task is to wait for the delivery time. At the delivery time, 8.5 major tokens will be withdrawn from my balance and sent to the buyer. In return, I'll receive, let me show you, go back to the orders page. I'll receive 6.378 USDT. I'll pause on the video and return after the delivery time. Now the delivery time has come. You can see that I don't have any orders in the Open Positions tab. I need to go to the Position History tab. Here you'll find a list of all my previous orders. And here is my current major sell order. The actual delivery time is displayed here. As you can see, it is almost 9 minutes later than initially set. If you check here, you'll see that I received 6.378 USDT from the buyer, and I sent 8.504 major tokens to the buyer. So my order has been fully completed. Let me check my assets. As you can see, my USDT is no longer frozen, and my total balance is now around 142 USDT. Previously, my balance was around 136 USDT, so I received around 6 USDT for the tokens. Additionally, 8.5 major tokens have been subtracted, leaving me with 10.2 major tokens. I didn't have to do anything. My major tokens were automatically transferred to the buyer, and I received USDT. Congratulations if you earned some money using the Premarket functionality. Subscribe if you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.